This tutorial guides you through managing vendors within the OConstruction platform. You will learn how to navigate vendor-related features and perform essential vendor management tasks. Click the Login button to access the OConstruction platform. Click the Email field to prepare for entering your email address. Enter your email address to identify your user account. Click the Password field to prepare for entering your password. Enter your password to authenticate your login credentials. Click the Sign In button to log into your account. Click the Vendor menu to access vendor management features. Click the Vendor submenu to view vendor-related options. Click the Add Vendor button to start adding a new vendor. Click the Vendor selection area to choose a vendor from the list. Select the vendor named Blanchard Machinery Co. from the vendor list. Click the Items tab to view items associated with the selected vendor. Click the Items section to manage vendor items. Click the Assets tab to view assets linked to the vendor. Click the Assets section to manage vendor assets. Click the Contacts tab to view vendor contact information. Click the Contracts tab to review vendor contracts. Click the Contracts section to manage contract details. Click the Purchase Order tab to view purchase orders related to the vendor. Click the Purchase Order section to manage purchase orders. Select a purchase order entry to view detailed information. Click the Invoice tab to view invoices associated with the vendor. Click the Invoice section to manage vendor invoices. Select an invoice entry to review invoice details. Click the Payment tab to view payments made to the vendor. Click the Payment section to manage payment records. Select a payment entry to view payment details. Click the Shipping tab to view shipping information related to the vendor. Click the Shipping section to manage shipping details. Click the Addresses tab to view vendor address information. Click the License tab to review vendor licensing details. Click the Item tab to view items linked to the vendor. Click the Items section to manage vendor items. Click the Assets tab again to review vendor assets. Click the Assets section to manage assets once more. Click the Contact tab to view vendor contact details. Select a contact entry to review contact information. Click the Contract tab to access contract details. Click the Contract section to manage contracts. Click the Purchase Order tab again to view purchase orders. Click the Purchase Order section to manage orders once more. Click the Invoice tab again to view invoices. Click the Invoice section to manage invoices again. Click the Payment tab again to view payments. Click the Payment section to manage payments again. Click the Item Received tab to view received items. Click the Item Received section to manage received items. Click the Final Selection area to complete vendor management tasks. You have successfully navigated and managed vendor information within the OConstruction platform. This includes accessing vendor details, purchase orders, invoices, payments, and related assets to maintain comprehensive vendor records.